2, 1. There we go.
Thanks to Revel, thanks to PG&E. It's a beautiful site. Come down, check it out. Hope everybody's having a great Monday.
Mr. Mayor, like, what is the city doing to try to get more locations like this? Are there regulations and things?
Revel just said they just got the job done, and they said they want to 10x this, and we're going to work closely with them and other companies that want to help us electrify San Francisco.
That's awesome to hear. What's it mean to have this first big charging station here?
Huge. This is great for San Francisco and great for San Franciscans. So more to come.
Thanks for taking the time, Mr. Mayor.
Build our future. Drivers looking to charge while doing business.
At Kempower, we're proud to be the technology behind the scenes. The thrill of ultra-fast station is designed to
and we want everyone here to know that Revel is more than committed to continuing to invest in San Francisco to build more charging infrastructure.
Guys, you join me here in San Francisco at the grand opening of Kempower's first West Coast location. They are partnering with a company called Revel, and Revel is doing their grand opening. We've got the mayor of San Francisco here, lots of local media. I've brought the Cybertruck to try to charge up later today, so that's going to be fun. We've got a Rivian over here. We've got a Tesla, NACS, and CCS cables over here at the chargers. We're gonna walk through together and show you some of what that looks like. So let's take a look at all the back end stuff that makes this magic possible. Here you can see the transformer, big 8,000-pound transformer here. Then you got the switch gear, and from the switch gear you're gonna see the actual cabinets themselves that power all of these satellites. And the great thing with Kempower is they are expandable and they are flexible, so they can take the location as it expands in the future, and as they had greater needs, they can expand these cabinets and put in more of the modules in the back of these cabinets to provide more power, including megawatt charging. You can see that we have some NACS connectors and we have CCS, so no matter what EV you're using, they're going to be able to support your charging needs. And that's big for the city of San Francisco. There is not enough charging here in the city. Things they did at this location is they have these set up where you could do pull-through charging if you need to. So you got a NACS adapter there, and then you got a CCS adapter down there, and there's plenty of space if you needed to kind of pull through there and charge up with a little small trailer or something behind you. So I love seeing the kind of creativity of the layout here. All right, so it's been an exciting day, and all the VIPs and the mayor and all the Kempower folks have all left. And so now it's time to actually plug in the Cybertruck and give Revel their first test and see how it does. We will be the first ones plugging in here and charging on this network. Let's give it a shot. Let's see what the Cybertruck can take as far as juice. And I'm also curious to see the charge curve. I know that with these Kempower satellites, you can see the charge curve. So I'm curious to check that out and see what it does. All right, let's learn this together, guys. We're going to head over to the satellite now. We are going to hit the button. We're going to tap the card down there. See if that will initiate the charger. It does say thank you. Now it says to connect the cable. So we're going to pull this out. We're going to head over here to the charge port door. This is definitely a bigger, heavy-duty cable than we're used to seeing on the superchargers. And you can see the length here is not a problem at all. That is absolutely fantastic. Let's see what we see on the charger. So here, you can see it's at 39%. Kilowatts are starting to ramp up. This is really cool. There's a barcode, a QR code that you can scan here, and this is going to give you charging data. and that's going to let you see the charge curve. So I'm really excited to see how that works. Let's come back and take a look at the charging here in just a second. All right, so it looks like we topped off at about 140 kilowatts. It's down now to 138 and just kind of holding steady there. I didn't precondition or any of that kind of stuff, and it was already at 40%. So maybe if I had some kind of preconditioning, or if it was down lower in the pack around 10, 15%, maybe we would have seen some higher numbers there. But I did want to plug it in, just be the first one to do it here at this awesome location in San Francisco. So we've accomplished that. We've got to see some of the data and some of the charge curve that these Kempower satellites can create, which I really love. Had a great time, got to meet the mayor, ask him a couple questions. I just think it was great to be able to take the Kempower team on a little full self-driving area of San Francisco. So be sure to check out that video. I'll have that posted as well on my channel. And that's it, Bow Family EV. But huge thanks to Kempower team and the team here at Revel for inviting the Turn Down for What podcast. We're going to see if we can get some of these guys on the show at some point just to talk about what it's like to do business in San Francisco, to get the permits. I know Josh and Jesse will really appreciate as charge point operators what it takes to get one of these up and running, get the transformers in with PG&E, all kinds of great stuff to talk about. So stay tuned, like and subscribe, hit that bell so you can be notified of different episodes. We do live shows on Thursdays. We do recorded episodes with Josh and Jesse. And then again, check out Bow Family EV on YouTube as well. There'll be a link for that in the description. I'll have different full self-driving videos, including the one with the Kempower team. So that wraps it up here from Revel. Thanks again for coming along. That's going to do it from here. We're going to use full self-driving now to send us home, and that will be it for our time with the Tesla. We are going to return it tomorrow afternoon, but tomorrow's a normal work day for me, so not sure if I'll do any more videos for that, but we've got a lot of different ones that we've done. Be sure to check those out on the Bow Family EV website, and of course, Turn Down for What. It's been a great time just doing this different content and hearing about this new location here. 12 satellites in the city of San Francisco is a big deal. So hope you guys enjoyed the trip. Hope you guys learned some stuff. Hope you guys tune in for more. Ring that bell, like and subscribe. Leave comments, likes. The engagement more than anything really helps the channel. So leave anything you like down in the comments. If you like it, don't like it, leave it in there. I'm fine if you guys have questions or opinions other than mine. I'm an open forum. Just show respect for others. That's all I ask. So hopefully we will see you on the next one. And if not, drop a like and subscribe anyway. Maybe it'll grow on you. Maybe not. But that's okay. We appreciate you either way. See you around.